Don't be foolish by endangering your own soul. Don't be like Pharisee that told Jesus he has a demon in him because he cast out demons and healed the sick. Don't be like Pharisee who speak against the people of God. You may end up yourself in hell because you are blaspheming the Holy Spirit. Because you are speaking against you don't know. Avoid that and cut your tongue. And stop if you can cut your tongue, stop it so that you may not endanger your soul. Don't be so stupid. Don't follow your teacher that only religious spirit